So let's say you want to create multiple choice questions in Anki, and you've probably come across some add-ons, but I would not recommend using them since add-ons are not maintained that frequently. Instead, I'm going to show you the simplest way possible, at least in my humble opinion. You just need to download and import a file to Anki. To start, just head over to this repository on GitHub, which I'll leave the link in the description. As you can see here, there's an image showing the final look of the cards, and also showcasing that both right to left and left right languages are both supported. To continue, just click on Files directory, and you'll see two files. First one, MCQ not type demo, is for left right languages, and the second one, MCQ not type right to left, is for languages like Persian, Arabic and Hebrew if you want to create a multiple choice question in those languages. Just download whichever you prefer, and after it's downloaded you just simply need to double click on it to open. Now Anki wants to import this file. You just want to click on import and then close, and here you have the not type imported and ready to use. You can check the imported cards, or alternatively you can add new cards. To add a new card, you just need to click on add and then find and select the MCQ Ultimate version 2.1 and choose it. And here you need to type question and options and any explanation if needed, and then click on add